Hello, everyone, and welcome back to Hello Word, the podcast where we explore the fascinating world of English vocabulary. I'm your host, Alex, and I'm thrilled to have you join me today. Our word of the day is chase, a B2 level verb that means to pursue someone or something in order to catch them. Let's dive in and unlock the secrets of this dynamic word. So, what exactly does chase mean? In its simplest form, chase means to run or go after someone or something in order to catch them. It implies a pursuit, often with the intention of catching or overtaking the target. We use chase in everyday language to describe physical pursuits, like a cat chasing a mouse, or figurative pursuits, like someone chasing a dream. It's a versatile word with a wide range of applications. Now, let's explore some synonyms for chase. Words that share a similar meaning include pursue, follow, hunt, track, and dog. Let's see how these synonyms work in sentences. For example, instead of saying the police chased the suspect, we could say the police pursued the suspect. The meaning is essentially the same. Another example, instead of the detective chased the clues, we could say the detective followed the clues diligently. Or, the hunters chased the deer through the woods could become the hunters hunted the deer through the woods. You see how these synonyms provide alternative ways to express the idea of pursuit. The journalist tracked down the source instead of the journalist chased the source. Furthermore, the paparazzi dogged the celebrity's every move is similar to saying the paparazzi chased the celebrity's every move. Shifting gears, let's look at antonyms. Words that have the opposite meaning of chase. Some antonyms include flee, escape, avoid, evade, and retreat. These words describe actions that are the opposite of pursuing someone or something. Instead of chasing, they involve running away or avoiding confrontation. For instance, if someone is being chased, they might flee the scene. So, instead of saying the dog chased the cat, we could say the cat fled from the dog. Similarly, if you don't want to be chased, you might try to avoid someone. For example, she tried to avoid him after the argument, showing she didn't want him to chase after her. The soldiers retreated from the battlefield, shows the soldiers moved back to avoid the enemy chasing them. Consider, he tried to evade the bill collectors, implying he did not want them to chase him for the payment. Understanding these antonyms helps to clarify the meaning of chase by highlighting its opposite. Now, let's talk about how chase is used in everyday life. We often use it to describe the pursuit of goals, ambitions, or dreams. For example, someone might say, "I'm chasing my dreams of becoming a doctor." This means they are actively working towards achieving their goal. Or, "She's chasing a promotion at work," indicating she's striving for a higher position. We also use it in more casual contexts, like saying my dog loves to chase squirrels in the park. It can even be used in romantic contexts, like he's been chasing her for months, meaning he's been trying to win her affection. Here are some more usage examples in sentences and phrases. Don't chase after things that are bad for you. The police were involved in a high-speed chase. He's always chasing the latest trends. She chased him down the street to return his wallet. They chased the opportunity to expand their business overseas. Stop chasing rainbows and focus on what's real. The cat enjoys chasing laser pointers. The detective chased every lead in the case. They chased away the birds from the garden. The kids were chasing each other in the backyard. He's chasing after fame and fortune. The company is chasing market share. She chased the bus as it pulled away from the stop. He's always chasing deadlines at work. They chased their lost dog through the neighborhood. The artist chased inspiration everywhere they went. We're chasing the perfect solution to this problem. He chased his hat as it blew away in the wind. So, to summarize, chase means to pursue someone or something in order to catch them. Synonyms include pursue, follow, hunt, track, and dog. Antonyms include flee, escape, avoid, evade, and retreat. We use chase in everyday language to describe both physical and figurative pursuits, from chasing a bus to chasing a dream. It's a dynamic verb that adds energy and action to our language. That brings us to the end of today's episode. Thank you for joining me on this vocabulary adventure. Before you go, I have a small request. If you enjoyed this episode of Hello Word, please subscribe to the podcast and leave a review. Your support helps others discover the show, and it really means a lot to me. Also, I would love to see how you use the word chase in your own sentences. Share your sentences in the comments section below this video. I look forward to reading them. Until next time, keep learning and keep exploring the wonderful world of words.